Welcome. Today, we'll write a tiny useful C# program that returns ASCII value, which is the numeric code of a character. This is a beginner-friendly exercise that reinforces casting, simple functions, and basic input validation. We'll show a safe helper that accepts a character, and a helper that accepts a string and validates it. By the end, you'll be able to print ASCII codes for single characters and adapt the helper for console or file input. Let's get started. We want a simple function, character into int. In C sharp, you can cast a character to int to get its code point. But real inputs sometimes arrive as strings or user input. So we'll show a try get ASCII value helper that accepts a string, validates it, and returns the ASCII for the first character. That makes the function robust for console or CSV driven inputs. Here's the full program. Get ASCII value is the one-liner that casts a character into an int. Try get ASCII value makes the code safe for string inputs. It checks for null or empty and returns a boolean success flag. In main, we show both direct character examples and a small demonstration of failure handling for empty input. The code is easy to expand if you want to read input from the console or file. Conceptually, it's straightforward. Validate, grab a character, and then cast. Casting is a built-in constant time operation, so this helper is both simple and fast. This summarizes the small pipeline. Every step is testable and clear. This table shows typical runs. Note how try get ASCII value lets us handle empty inputs safely. It returns false, so the caller can decide what to do. For multi-character strings, we use only the first character. That is a deliberate design choice for this tiny utility, but you can easily change it to process every character if you want. Knowing ASCII codes is handy when debugging weird characters in input, writing parsers, or teaching encoding basics. While modern systems use Unicode, ASCII remains relevant for ASCII range characters and quick checks. If you need to support full Unicode, a small tweak will return code points beyond 127. Short and sweet. Casting a character into an int in C# gives you its ASCII code. We've added a safe wrapper for strings so you can plug this into real input flows without crashes. This function is small, reusable, and a great building blocks in many text processing scripts. Thanks for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.